Hello everyone, thanks for coming by my channel today. I've decided to do some more Mod Podging of Christmas canvases because it's Christmas time, and what else are you going to make during Christmas season? I've picked a fun Charlie Brown and Grinch picture and a fun little saying that I found online that I really loved. And I'm going to just Mod Podge them onto these canvases real quick. It's been a busy season for me this year, so I haven't been able to do a lot of more extravagant crafts this season, but I'm hoping to get back to some more soon. Until then, well, this is what I'm working on. Just some simple crafts that I can put together within just a few minutes. I love doing these actually, and you can do them with any image that you can find online that you love. I decided to put a little glow-in-the-dark paint on Rudolph's nose, just in case anyone sees it in the dark. I hope it really turns out. And there you have it. What do you think? Well, that's it for today. Thanks for coming by.